sinned against the heart of God, how I've broken God's heart, then when I get out of jail and I get through the trial, guess what I'm going to do?
Are you kidding me?
The sorry's going to wear off. And it hasn't done the work of the Spirit in your heart to bring about a true.
It's a Chaser, I think. Toyota's Chaser.
That's a modified.
Oh yeah, that's 100% modified. I think it's got like... Oh, what? Yeah, he fell. Oh my lord.
No, can you... Baby.
Yeah, he fell. Oh my lord.
No, can you... Baby. Do you want to stop on the side? Or just call?
When is Cakery open? I could take that stuff and I go visit.
I checked. They were closed today, but they're open tomorrow. What's
Wow. Okay then. Oh! Right to the right.